So what we're going to do now is we are going to create a color frame around our video with a feathered edge, just like we saw in one of the commercials.
Every pillow pet is so cute and unique.
So the first thing that we need, obviously, is a video. And I think I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to just take this and drag it in. If you didn't already have a sequence, then it will create a sequence as soon as you drag a video in. You can use any video that you need to. And once we have our video and once we have it trimmed to the length that we want it to be, what we need to do is we need to add the frame. And one way that we can do that is that we can create a rectangle. So I'm going to click off of the video block. I'm going to click my rectangle tool. I'm just going to draw a rectangle on top. And you'll see that it has created a new block here, a new layer in this track. And anytime that you've got something on top of something else, it's going to cover it. So what we need to do is we need to change this rectangle into a frame. And the way that we're going to do that is we're going to use the masking tools. So I'm going to go over here to the shape layer, this rectangular mask shape. And what it does is it creates a rectangle there, and it kind of cuts away everything else. So what it's doing is it's masking or hiding just what is here. Well, I want it to be the opposite. I want it to be a frame rather than a patch. So what I can do is I can click here where it says inverted, and you'll notice that it has changed into a frame. It's obviously too big. I need to change the size of this. And one way that I can do that is that I can take my mouse and I can hover it right next to a corner. I can hold the shift key and then I can drag it out, and it's going to expand my window to my video that's underneath. Last thing I want to do is I want to make this feathered so that it is a little more gradual. And so I find where it says mask feather, and then I just change that to whatever I want it to be. The other thing I can do, of course, is I can change the color here. So I can change this to whatever color I want it to be. A little red. Okay, and that's it. That's how you can create a frame, a colored frame around a video.